reminding me how special it is to share your feelings with others. And so, tonight, we brought a slice of the North Pole for you right here. The elves and I, for the last several hours, have been working our magic to create these beautiful ice sculptures. We want to celebrate these wondering windows and celebrate her story too. So, New York, are you ready? Do you want to take a look? Well, help me with the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We hope you'll join us, and we hope you'll have a very special Christmas.
That's 1805.